The broadcast is now starting. All attendees.
Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 8:50 p.m. and today's 9th of March 2021. I somehow couldn't stop myself making a video, although I'm dead tired and since working since morning. But I thought I must reach out to you guys and tell that tomorrow market definitely looks very positive to me. And what is going to contribute to this positive movement of market? Definitely Nifty Finance, Nifty Private Banks, right? Which could be Kotak Bank, IndusInd Bank, and HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. All of them will contribute. And definitely with that, Bank Nifty will also be positive. And what other component that's looking good to me is the service and the Nifty IT. Somehow I'm feeling Nifty IT and Nifty service will give a very, very beautiful move tomorrow. So there's something wrong right now with, trading view. And if you have a look at Nifty IT and Nifty, this is how Nifty IT looks like. So see, yesterday's selling pressure, it has almost eradicated, right? Today it has actually overpowered. If it goes above 25,680 or 25,700, then this IT will become bullish. Similarly, Nifty service also looks very, very good, which also is part of, like Nifty IT is also part of that. All the service providers like TCS, Infosys, Coforge, TechM, HCL Tech, all of it belong to the Nifty service. So I am finding two sectors strongly positive, right? Let me just show you what are those sectors which look really, really positive to me. So as I told you, I'm finding, Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank. Look at the brightness in them, and look at ICICI Bank. Very nice. Mindtree. This is IT. Again HDFC, very positive. Then FinNifty. Have a look at FinNifty. What open equal to low, right? The way it has moved today is a very, very nice move. TechM, right? TechM is a very nice move today. Then I have Bajaj Finance is also slightly positive. And this pattern, please write in the comment box what do you call this pattern as. It looks positive to me. MRF, this is another stock that is on my radar. It looks very, very promising to me for tomorrow and for couple of days, right? MRF. So this is how MRF is. One simple reason today it has broken the trend line, right? Today it has broken the trend line, right? So see here, this is a trend line that one can draw, and it has broken that trend line, right? So buy above 89,450, and it can go up to 90,000. After 90,000 it'll be 90,500, and it may go and touch its peak, right? So these are the stocks, but my bet is going to be on, I'm giving you few stocks, really, really hot ones, right? So the my bet is on HCL Tech tomorrow, right? My bet is going to be on HCL Tech tomorrow, and Infi and Mindtree and TechM. Four IT stocks will be on my radar. The first of them is going to be HCL Tech. Infi I gave today itself, right? I gave Infi today itself. If you've noticed, I have given Infi here. So let it just be here. So there is something wrong. I don't know what's wrong, where it's wrong. So notice in HCL Tech itself, like if I just pick up brush and show you, this is a double bottom, right? It's a double bottom in 1 day time frame. So I'm first taking 10 points, and if it sustains above 988, then I'm definitely expecting a move till about this point, which is 997. 20 points move I'm definitely expecting in HCL Tech, right? So that was this trade, which is HCL Tech. The other trade that I have on my radar very strongly is Mindtree. So have a look at Mindtree. Mindtree has broken all the barriers, right? If tomorrow it goes above this place, right, which is 1819 or 1820, I'm expecting definitely a good move in the upper direction. So four stocks: Mindtree, HCL Tech, TechM, and Infi. These are going to be my picks for tomorrow. Please keep them on radar to make good money. Right, Infi is somewhere also close by. So I am definitely very, very bullish on IT for tomorrow and for a few days. Right? Keep them on radar, and hopefully you should be able to make good money. Even I have given a call of Infi. Right? I have given a call on Infi here. So I'm still holding it. I've posted my screenshot as well. So I believe that it should go up tomorrow as well, right? So I'm pretty much bullish on IT sectors. So this sector is very hot, and the hottest stocks out here will be HCL Tech, TechM, Infi, and the last one is even Coforge, for that matter, is looking very, very good to me. So all the IT stocks are very good, for tomorrow. So get ready, and I am expecting a good move tomorrow in market. So take care, guys. Remain connected on my channel. If you have not been on my channel, please join it. You can join me here and you can find this link in the description box, and remain connected to find some good stocks. And all the best, guys. Take care. See you in the live market tomorrow. Bye bye.